From the plains of Texas to the shores of the San Juan Islands, Orcas Animal Protection Society has been home to many animals, but it's much more than just a halfway house for animals. Whether you look at the spoiled lobby cats, spacious catios, or private dog park, you can see that the devoted people at the animal shelter care about providing the best possible home for each and every animal. Many committed volunteers and employees have helped make the animal shelter what it is today. But the homeless animals of Orcas Island have not always had this luxurious place of refuge.
Before we had an animal shelter on Orcas, people had to take them into their homes. And this wasn't an easy thing to find somebody who maybe already had a dog or two to take in another dog. We housed cats and kittens in various gardening sheds and garages and wherever we could find a spot for them.
In the early 2000s, Dick Greaves donated a plot of land designated as the future site of the animal shelter. Volunteers rolled up their sleeves as construction of the building began. After much hard work, Orcas Animal Protection Society finally opened its doors in early 2003. Every year, the animal shelter provides a safe place for many animals.
We get about 170 or so, and of that number, some are going to be stray dogs that will get returned to their people, like pretty much right away or within a day. So that includes dogs that are strays and a few cats. Usually the cats are with us a little bit longer.
When a new cat arrives, we first of all put them into our quarantine area, and we will test them to make sure they're free of ringworm, and we will use dewormer and flea and tick medication. And they will wait in the back area there, and then they'll be seen by our vet, Joe Gados.
Lately, we've been able to help a lot of the shelters and rescue organizations that we partner with from the mainland. And we, the past 3 to 4 years, have brought over kittens from the mainland. Last year we brought 42 kittens over. The year before, I think it was 54 kittens, just to help other facilities out, just because we have done such a good job here on Orcas of spaying and neutering that we rarely get kittens here. And the same is true with dogs. The folks here on Orcas are a very pet-loving community, and we don't often get dogs surrendered to us. So in order to meet the needs of the community, folks who are looking for a dog, we bring them in as well. And in fact, we're hoping to get more dogs in a couple of weeks from Texas.
After Hurricane Harvey, we reached out to a rescue called Tall Tales Rescue and Transport, and they have been wonderful in transporting dogs up from the Texas area via truck transport, which is a pretty incredible journey for those dogs. And and we've continued to work with them as well, rescuing now from high kill shelters as well.
So this is Freddie. He's gonna catch his ball. Go. Good boy, Freddie. Okay, one more time. Throw it up. What? Good boy.
And because we do have such great volunteers here at the shelter, our animals get incredible care and socialization and a lot of attention.
I like helping out the cats and seeing all the new cats that come here. I like Journey because she reminds me of my kitten and she is cute and playful. The volunteers can help sweep off the cat towels. They can sweep the floor or they can check up on cats who are lonely.
We do a number of fundraisers. Our main fundraiser is our big annual wine dinner and auction. And then we have our annual newsletter, which goes out to the whole Orcas Island community and to many of our other donors who are off island. They're our two main fundraising efforts. And of course we have our little collection donation boxes throughout Orcas Island as well.